Namaskaram. Today is a very auspicious day, the Jayanti of Lord Narasimha. It seems all the more relevant given this terrible pandemic that has completely turned our lives upside down, causing panic, fear, sickness. So it seems all the more important that we plead to the powerful Lord Narasimha, who is as fierce as he is benevolent and kind, and beg him for his grace to alleviate the sufferings that our world today is facing. In this background, I thought it would be apt to do a song on Lord Narasimha, Narasimha Mamava, a very popular song in Sanskrit. It is in Arabi Ragam and it is a composition of Maharaja Swadi Tirunal. This song is set to Kandachaputalam, and Kandachaputalam is a cycle of 5 beats which goes as follows: takka takkita, takka takkita, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Raga Arabi is very well known, especially because of Sadhinchene, the famous Pancharatnam of Saint Tyagaraja, and the scale would be as follows. Sari ma pada sa, sa ni ra pa ma ga re sa, sari ma pada sa, sa ni ra pa ma ga re sa. So you would note that the descent has all the 7 notes, but when we look at the raga, if you look at the fabric of the raga, you will know that ni and ga are barely present, and you could not think of stressing on either of them. Ni would always be sa ni ra pa. That is, it is a ni that is like an offshoot of sa. You can't sing sa ni da pa. It would not be Arabi at all. And similarly, ma ga re, ma ga re, ma ga re, ma ga re would be blasphemy, if I could call it that. So here goes once again the Arohanam Avarohanam. Sa re ma pa da sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. As I told you, the raga Arabi is the raga of the song, and the tala is Kandachapu, and this song starts at the beat Narasimha. Na is one of the characteristics of raga Arabi. Narasimha Mamava ma ga re sa, re ma pada ma ga re sa, ni ra ri ra sa. That is a phrase of Arabi, and you can find that in this song. Narasimha Mamava, Narasimha Mamava, padani da pa ma ga re sa, Narasimha Mamava, Bhagavan Reva ma ga re sa. So you can see there's a lot of stress on re. Bhagavan Nityam So 4 blocks of 5 beat cycles, 4 avartanams completes the Pallavi line. Narasimha Mamava Bhagavan Nityam Narasimha Mamava Bhagavan Nityam. So the Sangadis that follow the first are always developments on the first Sangadi. So they may not have many changes. If you know the first Sangadi, the others get easier to assimilate. So Sangadi 2 would be Narasimha, just like the first. The first Sangadi was Mamava. Second Sangadi is Mamava. Mamava. Mavadava Mava Magaresa. Mamava Bhagavan. Just the same. In Nityam, there is a small change. Nityam. Nityam. Lot of force. Dada Baba Magaresa Rema. Nityam. So I'll sing the full line. Narasimha Mamava Bhagavan Nityam. Narasimha Mamava Bhagavan Nityam. I hope that's clear. So we go to the third Sangadi. Narasimha. All along for Sangadi 1 and 2 it was Narasimha. It just went up to me. Here it expands. Narasimha Pattari Sanidapa Narasimha Mamava Mavadari Sanidapa Maga Mamava Bhagavan. That's the same. Nityam Sanidama Magare Sarema. It's you're running the full Avarohana. Sanidama Magare Sarema. Nityam Narasimha Mamava Bhagavan Nityam Narasimha. A little force there. Narasimha Mamava. So you're exploiting the full talam with little notes of shorter duration. You get much more. That would be 10 because 5 into 2 is 10, and a beat takka takkita can also be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can also be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is what it was here. Mamava Bhagavan Nityam Narasimha Mamava. To finish off, Bhagavan Nityam. So you see that these 3 lines that constitute the Pallavi contain almost all the salient features of Raga Arabhi, a raga which is maybe we could say victorious, energetic, forceful, bright. I would call the raga all of these things, and maybe that is why Maharaja Swadi Tirunal chose to offer his praise of Lord Narasimha in Raga Arabhi. I'll do the Anupallavi very shortly. I will also, as usual, provide you the notation should you want it. You can email me at varalakshmi.anand@gmail.com. So before I do the Anupallavi, I hope you will learn these three little sangadis that constitute the Pallavi of the song Narasimha Mamava. Namaskaram, Vanakkam.